Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well today. The topic for today is based on counting. There are some basic activities that I did with my child at home. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can teach counting at home. So the first activity that I have over here is based on number sequence. As you can see, I took a thick box which cannot open from either of the sides and I covered it with two A4 size papers and I wrote numbers from 1 till 20 and printed out few numbers and pasted it on the popsicle sticks, which can help him learn the number sequence. So the next activity that we have over here is number puzzle. As you know, puzzles can be interesting for a child. So I gave the numbers in a basket and as he started placing the numbers accordingly. So his observation started increasing while he was doing the puzzle. So the next activity that I have over here is stacking number in sequence. To make it interesting for him, I took few blocks and I wrote few numbers on them and I told him that how you can place the blocks and learn the sequence accordingly, as he loves making blocks. So it got really interesting for him. He started counting on his fingers and started placing the numbers according to the sequence. So the next activity that I have over here is the clip activity. I made this activity by myself at home. The interesting part of this activity is that a child will count, find a number and take a clip and clip it on that number. So the next activity that I have over here is the egg carton counting game. I gave him a transparent egg carton and few colored stones, and I told him to place the stones according to the number that he sees. So the only problem that I faced while doing this activity at home is that the egg carton was transparent, so it was hard for him to visualize the number. So if you're doing this activity at home, place a white paper underneath so he or she can see the numbers accordingly. So the next activity that I have over here is the backward counting. I took a whiteboard and few flashcards. To make him understand the concept of backward counting, I wrote the number sequence on the board, as he is still learning the backward counting, so it can be easy for him to learn and practice it every day. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and join the family, and I will see you in my next video.